Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to design a very beautiful and unique teddy bear logo, so stay with me. First of all, we will go and select the rectangular tool, and with the help of shift and alt key, we will draw a square, okay, like this. Now we will go and select the ellipse tool, and with the help of shift and alt key and the center, we will draw a circle inside this square like this, okay. Now we will select the direct selection tool, we will select the circle, and with the help of shift and alt key, we will generate a copy of this circle, okay. Now with the help of shift key, we will move the first circle in the rightward direction like this, okay. Now we will select the whole thing with the help of selection tool, and we'll go and select the shape builder tool, and with the help of alt key, we will delete the unnecessary lines and curves like this, so we will get a beautiful hard drawing, okay. Now with the help of shift and alt key, we will make it a little bit small like this, okay. Now select the whole thing, go to the transform, sorry, first we will rotate it, okay, with the help of shift key. How much? 45 degree like this, okay. Now we will select the whole thing and we'll make it join, okay. Now select again the whole thing, go to the transform and click on the reflect option like this. Please check the preview option and make a copy of it like this, okay. So we have obtained a copy of it. Now with the help of shift key, move it like this, okay. Move it like this, select the whole thing, and with the help of shape builder tool and alt key, delete this central part, okay. So we'll get two separate entities like this, okay. Now go and select the direct selection tool, okay, and delete this anchor point like this. Now again select this anchor point and click on the delete key like this. So same we will do with this part. Select this anchor point, delete it, and select this anchor point and delete this arm, okay. Now go and select the selection tool and move it like this with the help of shift key, okay. Now we need to decrease this sharpness, so we will go and select the direct selection tool and will decrease this sharpness, okay. I think 40 point is enough. 40 point is enough. Now we'll go and select the selection tool, select the whole thing, and we'll rotate it with the help of shift key like this, okay. Now we will select the whole thing, we'll go to the stroke panel, and we'll increase the weightage of the stroke, okay. I think 10 points is enough. And now we will go to the profile option and we'll select the profile number 6. Okay, so now it's look very beautiful. Now we will go and select the ellipse tool. With the help of shift and alt key, we will draw a small circle. Okay, now select this circle and the help of shift and alt key, move it to the right direction and make two circles. Okay, select the whole thing, these two circles with the help of shift, and now we will fill it with the black color. Okay, so now it looks amazing. Okay, join the whole group, the whole thing. Let's make it small a little bit with the help of shift and alt key. Now go to the text tool, select the text tool, okay. Now we will go select the selection tool, and with the help of shift and alt key, let's increase its weightage. Okay, now again we will go to the text tool. Okay, QTD, select the selection tool, help of shift and alt key, we'll make that big. Okay, and let's increase its weightage. Okay, so now it looks amazing. Select the whole, group the whole thing, move it to the right direction. So we have created a very beautiful and unique teddy logo. So friends, please kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can see more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.